Hi guys, Mary here. How are you? I hope all is well with you today. And yeah, here I am again for another video. Quick facts about me. I am a Filipina. I was born and raised in Philippines, and I am currently residing in the UK. And I'm 23 years old. So yeah. So today's makeup is not exactly particular on what kind of look, but it's like an everyday put together makeup look, if you know what I mean. So I already moisturized my face, and I'm gonna do priming now. I'm going to use this guy here. There we go. And I'm gonna use a lip oil. I'm gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, just because I haven't used this enough in my videos. I've always been using a super stay one. So we're gonna grab this guy here, and I'm gonna use it today. This first makeup day of the week. I'm gonna wear makeup, so I pretty miss doing this. And then I'm gonna do concealer. I'm gonna use my Benefit Blowing in number 3 hardens the temperature, so that's okay. I'm using my finger, by the way. This concealer is really thin. At first I don't really like it because I don't see that it covers anything in my under eye. It's just perfect for no makeup days, because it's pretty close to my skin tone and I never really use it. But I think I'm gonna love using it this winter. And quickly set it with a powder, loose powder from Peach Cotton Skin Food, before it decided to crease. We can avoid further creasing. And I like setting my smile line. I'm gonna use my ColourPop in the shade Cool Cocoa. It's a brown taupey color. So I'm just tapping that. I use my mirror, my trusty mirror. Okay, and then I'm gonna do the other side. set my brow with brow gel from L'Oreal. Brows done. I told myself I'm not going to stress myself, but I'm gonna use my Becca blush in the shade Blush Copper for the eyelids. Can I use it to bronze my face as well? For the blush, I'm gonna use Pinch Me. Ooh. I'm gonna use my highlighter from e.l.f. in the shade Apricot Glow. This one from Colourpop. It's from Kathleen Lights, just for an oopsie inner corner highlight. Okay, this liquid lipstick, a melted matte in the shade Hot Butter Rum. It's like a pinky shade. Ooh. It's still unopened. Oh wow, it's sweet as well. You can eat it. Thank thank you for watching, for getting to this point and staying with me all through the look. Thank you so much guys for watching, and yeah, I'm just happy that I am part of this community, that I get to share my passion and my love for makeup. And thank you for watching and for clicking on this video. I hope you enjoy it as much as I enjoy doing this look. And if you want more, then just click my channel name, and I have a bunch of videos for you there to choose. And yeah, feel free to watch them. And if you have anything to say, you want your opinions and your ideas, just leave it in the comment bar below. And please give it a like if you enjoy it. And yeah, be subscribed. I would love to have you around here, and I would appreciate if you would stick around, so then you'll get updated and notified when I'm gonna be posting. And I have some excitement things that are going to happen in just a matter of 2 weeks, so hopefully you'll be there to see it or to experience with me. So yeah, thank you so much. I will see you in the next one. Bye.